So the Smart Farming Project is a joint project with Applied Horticultural Research, Hitachi Ventara and Hort Innovations. Our Smart Production Nursery for the project is Golden Grove. They produce citrus trees for citrus farmers. They're not open to the public. They have been instrumental in the project. The knowledge and feedback from the staff and the management has helped us tremendously in actually helping to refine the technologies, and not only refining the technologies from a technological point of view, but also helping us to refine the way we interact with nurseries and what nursery staff expect. The Golden Grove Nursery is actually based in the Great Barrier Reef Marine Park catchment area, and so part of the project is to actually monitor the impact of the nursery on the surrounding environment and to ensure that there is no damaging runoff from the nursery. Part of the Smart Farming project is to present a series of workshops across Australia. At the moment there is one plan for each state. The idea of the workshops is to engage with the local nursery businesses and to provide them with the information and the resources so they can actually understand what the technology is and how to use it. Effectively trying to demystify the technology, make it easier for them to be able to ask the questions to suppliers, and also to understand what that technology A can do for them, but B, what sort of data it provides. So some of the benefits of taking up smart farming technologies is that it can actually help to improve resource use efficiency, reduce water use, reduce nutrient losses through leaching, reduce labour costs. What we're hoping to achieve here is to demystify some of the information and knowledge around these technologies, show that these technologies can actually be used in an everyday nursery situation, but also to help nursery people understand how to integrate the technologies and to decipher what some of the data is telling them. Growers should come along to our workshops purely because we have a large repository of knowledge by the people who are presenting. We have people from our partners, Hitachi and Applied Horticultural Research. So there's a broad knowledge base from not only the nursery industry and how to grow plants, but from a technological point of view as well.
Sustainable farming practices should be important to everyone. It's very important to us because we're in a really beautiful part of the world, out in the Yarra Valley. We've got a creek that runs alongside the properties, so we want to make sure that we're protecting the environment in whatever way possible. I think that technology is just always evolving, and it's really important to be following conferences like this because you're always going to be learning a lot, and it's always really important to see what's on the horizon.
So what brought us here today is we've been looking for quite a while at data collection and visualisation, so we're really interested in, I guess, an agnostic view on how that technology can be deployed in our nursery. And we're also fortuitously looking at solar, sort of around energy consumption, how we can use solar. So it was a really jam-packed day today for us. Sustainable farming practices are important to us because we understand now just how critically important it is to conserve our resources, to minimise our impact on both the broader environment but also our immediate surrounds. And the reality is that it will become a huge part of consumer expectations. I think today's workshop's been valuable because it's not only provided us access to manufacturers and service providers, but also given us that agnostic view so that we can sort of understand what the shortfalls are and sort of break through some of the marketing blurb that we're often confronted with.
So if anybody's interested in getting any more information or coming along to any of the future projects, workshops, they can keep an eye on the Greenlife Industry Australia newsletter that's sent out twice a month. We always advertise in there. Hort Innovation comms also will promote the workshops when we have them available. They can also go to the Greenlife Industries website.